Hello again. Now I'm going to show you today, you like my colours? Nice colours, huh? If you don't like this shirt, send me one of yours and I'll wear it in my next video. But for now I'm going to show you, I'm going to put my glasses on, I'm going to show you how to start up a fire without any fire lighters. I've got 2 paper towels soaked in oil, any oil, olive oil, vegetable oil. This was canola oil. I'll put it in like that, right? And then what we'll do is we'll grab the coal and we'll put it around, right? And then we'll start, we'll light it up and we'll build a little teepee type thing. Right? This will burn for about 10-12 minutes, right? And that's it. Now, you don't get any kerosene smells, nothing like that. It's just the oil burning. Today I'm getting canola oil smell, so it's even better. There we go. There we go, see? It just starts up, no problem. Paper will burn for 10-12 minutes. Enough time for the coal to take on. Okay, 5 minutes in and the fire's really going. Just with a piece of paper and oil, that's all it is. 10 minutes on and the fire's really going. With 2 paper napkins soaked in oil. That's all. 15 minutes on, fire's on.